going down Lake Street in Newark, next to Branchbrook Park. I used to ride this with my friends when I was younger on bikes. All the rich houses are here. We just come up here for Halloween and they just give us dollars. No scooter. Must be rental scooters around here. Very different. Never seen. That didn't exist when I was a kid.
Look how beautiful. Is this Forest Hills?
Yes.
Oh my God, it's beautiful. Berkeley Lake. Oh, it's beautiful.
Right here, you're gonna make a left, go back in the park.
Oh,
My directions are still good.
okay.
You just put all the flowers there. See that, all that?
Mm-hmm.
All the flower beds, all that stuff.
All right, come on. He's waiting for me. I don't know.
And all that nice scent that air.
Mm-hmm.